Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Then you need to type in dev check, like that. Following that, install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your Motorola starboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!